मैं सुनया मेरे नाम नू सुन के रोया है मेरे हाल नू सुन के यारा वे दस की करेगा मैं सुनया मेरे नाम नू सुन के रोया है मेरे हाल नू सुन के यारा वे दस की करेगा
Hi, I'm Ricky. Welcome to my tutorial channel. And today we will learn Bollywood. The song is Suneya. Just relax. Follow me. Let's go. Okay, let's start. First, we put our left hands here. Right hands here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clap. And here. 1, 2, straight and back. 1, 2, and round and back. This is first part. And second part like this. Down and back and more bigger and back. Round and back and more bigger and back. Like this from first part and second part. Da, 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 da. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is slow. Back and round and bigger and round and bigger. But in second part, we have to do some spinning like this. Round and turn and round and turn back. Okay. And third part like this. Straight. 1, 2, and ta. Okay. Hold our left hands back like this. 1 and turn. 2, 3, and back. And turn, then open both hands like this and do like 1 and 2 and 3, but with a little move. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then put our left hands here. 1, 2. See left side and front. See right side and front. And put our hands like this, very big and slow. Hold it and do turn and back. See the right side. So third part will like this. Move your body a little up. 1, 2, and ta and back and turn and back. And turn and open and move 1, 2, 3 and see left side and front. See right side and front and turn it like this. Back and turn and see the right side. Let's practice with music.
मैं सुनया मेरे नाम नू सुन के रोया है मेरे हाल नू सुन के यारा वे दस की करेगा मैं सुनया मेरे नाम नू सुन के रोया है मेरे हाल नू सुन के यारा वे दस की करेगा.
Our movement like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let's put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. you can do some move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then do a spin. Da, din, da. Okay. This is next. Da, din, da. And next, right, left, right, left, right. Okay. Again, right, left, right, left, right. Okay. Then put your both hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this part is an intro. So let's do this part together from the beginning. 3. Go. Ta ta ka tum ka. Ta ge di ge ta. Ta din ta. Dit ta ki de ta. Ta ka tum ka. Ta ki de ta ka. Okay. If you want to know about the footwork like this. Ta ta ka tum ka. Ta ge di ge ta. Okay. And spin. Da din ta. Then dit ta. Right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay. Let's put the hands and feet together like this. Ta ta ka tum ka. Ta ge di ge ta. Cha ka. Da din ta. Dit ta gi re ta. Ta ka tum ka. Ta gi ta ta ka. Okay. Then next part is T-high. Means you have to do it the same movement 3 times like this. Hands movement. Tita from left side. Tita kata gati kina and tita kata gati kina ta tit ta. Let's do it again. Tita kata gati kina. Tita kata gati kina ta tit ta. And again. Tita kata gati kina. Tita kata gati kina. This last part we only do ta dit ta. Okay. So we do it again. Tita kata gati kina. Tita kata gati kina ta tit ta. Tita kata gati kina. Tita kata gati kina ta tit ta. Tita kata gati kina. Tita kata gati kina ta tit ta. Okay. This is the hand movement. But with our feet, like this. Tita kata gati kina. Tita kata gati kina. Right, left, right. I speak in English like this. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right. Okay? But we only focus on our footwork. We do it 3 times like this. 3, go. Tita kata gati kina. Tita kata gati kina ta tit ta. Tita kata gati kina. Tita kata gati kina ta tit ta. Tita kata gati kina. Tita kata gati kina ta tit ta. So we put the hand and footwork together. 3, go. Tita kata gati kina. Tita kata gati kina ta tit ta. Tita kata gati kina. Tita kata gati kina ta tit ta. Tita kata gati kina. Tita kata gati kina ta tit ta. Okay, so this part, intro and the high, we put them together without music. Follow me. 3, go. Da da ga tu ga open, da ge da tu spin, da din da dit da gi re da da ga tu ga da gi da di high. Ti da ga da ga ti gi na ti da ga da ga ti gi na da dit da ti da ga da ga ti gi na ti da ga da ga ti gi na da dit da ti da ga da ga ti gi na ti da ga da ga ti gi na da dit da. Then we practice with music. Let's go.
卡达克东嘎，达耶里给达，达丁达，滴达吉尔达，当嘎东嘎，达滴达达嘎，滴达嘎达嘎滴吉那，滴达嘎达嘎滴吉那达，滴达滴达嘎达嘎滴吉那，滴达嘎达嘎滴吉那达，滴达滴达嘎达嘎滴吉那，滴达嘎达嘎滴吉那达，滴达。
Next part, we put our hands here because this is the last part. So we put it back. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double open and 1, 2, and here. And left side we only do 1. Ta. Okay. So do it again. Put it back. Open both hands back, and we do 1, 2. To left side, okay, and this only to 1 to right side, okay. Then we put this movement like this: 1, 2, 1, and up, and turn back, and pull, and down. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull, and up, and open. Okay, next part we will do like this: turn to the front and the ground, and like this. Top. Okay, let's do it again. We do turn first and do this and this, and to front, and we put our right hands like this. Okay, pull and pull, and do a turn like this. Okay, and after turn we put our both hands here. Okay, let's do it to right and do it to left, and put your hands like this, and 1 small, and 2 and small, and 3 is big. Okay, so when we do this part, we do from the beginning like this. We put it back and open your hands like this, and we do 1, 2, and here, and only 1 to here. Then we do this and see up, and this we see up and pull back and turn, and to see your right side. And we do this is the next part, and we do our double hands like this, and to see from down. Okay, then we do turn, pull here, and turn, and down, and do it again to right side here, and do again to left side here, and we put our double hands here, and small with some movement, small, small, and up. This part we practice with our music. Let's go.
Ta de ta.
ਉਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੁੱਟ ਗਈ ਸੀ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਲੁੱਟ ਗਈ ਸੀ ਹੁਣ ਮੂੰਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੌ ਮੈਂ ਚੁੱਕ ਗਈ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੁੱਟ ਗਈ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਲੁੱਟ ਗਈ ਸੀ ਹੁਣ ਮੂੰਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸੌ ਮੈਂ ਚੁੱਕ ਗਈ ਸੀ
Last part, we will do this. In last tutorial, we do this before. You remember? Okay, like this. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. With our feet like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Yes. Put them together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Back. Then next movement like this. We do down first. 1, 2. Okay, we put our left hands here and front and pull it back and here. And we do up, front, and down. Okay, let's do it again, this part. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and down, and up, and push, and pull it, and put it back to up, front and down. Okay, last movement like this. We pull our left hands here like this and right hands like this. Ta. Okay, but it's together like this. Ta a. Yes. Okay, so this part we do it together. 3. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and ta, 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 and down, and ta, Yes. Okay. So, what's music? Let's go.
ਰਾਜ ਰਾਜ ਕਿਉਂ ਤਰਸ ਰਿਹਾ ਏ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਪਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਹੁਣ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ
This is today's tutorial. Please share to your friend who love Kathaks. I just put the music in the intro of this film. You can download it. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to turn on the bells. Then you can follow every word. Have a good day. Have a good night. We see you next tutorial. Bye bye.